What we're doing here today is replacing the window switches on the passenger side on a Saturn Vue. First, what we'll do is take this little trim piece here and just go ahead and pop that up. And there's a couple electrical connections here. This is the switch that we're going to be replacing. There's a tab on the back of the weather pack. Just push that down and then take that off. Okay, there's two 7mm screws here that we'll remove. Okay, my new switch here didn't have the little connection there, so we'll have to remove it from the old one here. Simply just put a screwdriver underneath the tabs there, and then we'll pull that off, snap it on the new one. Take our two 7mm here, place them on there. Okay. Take and put our electrical connection back on. And we can just go ahead, hook the back end first, and then we can just push it down. And we're all done. Okay, now that we got the electrical connection back on there, we'll just hook it in the back and then go ahead and push it down. It'll lock in. We're all done.